Hi guys, welcome back. This is 2000 Gaming again, bringing another Silver and Blood content. So in this video, we're just gonna be talking about. I feel that this patch that we have, this is your lull patch. Okay, like we were not. I'm not quite sure if everybody's complaining that like they're releasing left and right characters very quickly. I feel this is like the lull patch we're in. We just need to come here and get resources as best as we can because we already have Timeless Iona, Fleeting Bella, Quinn as our main starting lineup. And then if you want to branch out, you already have again Cyrene with um Van Helsings and with the lot. Okay, you have two teams already there. You can put in your summon team as well with like again your Transcendent Noah and whatnot. And you also have most likely you have transcendent units already at your disposal if you've played this one on day one. So I feel like for you as a day one player, you don't need to pull here because Albrecht, I know he's a healer, but again, he's for free, which is really nice. And as you can see, my blood tier count or moon tier count is like 30,000 already. So I'm trying to save a lot. Okay, I'm trying to save a lot. Maybe there's gonna be a bigger character to see. But also, I'm really excited. It's gonna take a while for us to get to the newer character here. One epic character. I can't really choose that one now because like my screen is minimized. I can click it. So yeah, like my suggestion is, I know that these two characters are currently in the in the banner right now. Albrecht is gonna be free as long as you log in and clear those rewards, clear those missions. She, on the other hand, Stella, on the other hand, she looks really nice on the picture and the wallpaper. Why is she looking kind of different here? But like it is what it is. But again, her skill set, um, it's like piercing damage, melee, assassin type. So you have already Del Carlo there. So I'm not quite sure. I think Del Carlo has much more options compared to her. That's just my opinion. Okay, because like not Del Carlo, sorry, Lorelai. Okay, Lorelai has much more of a use than her. That's just me. Plus, she looks nice. So yeah, so that's how I'm skipping her. I'm getting Albrecht for free. You don't really need a lot of copies here. Just like in Nikkei, but like if you want to push towards to more stats, if it all depends on you. Okay? So hopefully you guys like this video. Comment down below. Are you pulling for Albrecht? Are you pulling for Stella? For me, I'm just saving. I don't really need to talk about her skill sets because like again, if you look at this Albrecht healer, it's just fairly straightforward. He's healing. He's like a male healer in a way. Just like who's that guy with summoning? What's the guy with like he looks like the Swamp Thing? I forgot his name. He's not a he, right? This one, Yggdrasil. So Yggdrasil, you have a healer here as well, and then Albrecht would be your healer as well. So you have more options for multiple teams that need survivability moving forward. So that like fits the bill. He fits the bill on that. So heals, activates, heals the ally with the lowest HP. Again, all healing. Battle begins. Generates silver mist. He puts mist and stays in it. Mist healing, healing on healing on healing, which is really good for survivability. And she, on the other hand, again as an assassin, she teleports at a selected location, cannot be targeted, which is that's the difference about her and Lorelai, that she can't be targeted and she can rapidly cast Blade Barrage. But again, I'd rather have Lorelai because she has much more utility, but because of the sleep, and she can sleep multiple enemies. So yep, that's it for me, guys. This is 2000 Gaming. Are you still pulling for these two characters? I would like to hear from you guys. This is again 2000 Gaming, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.